Hello and welcome to this new video.
Today, we will be working together on a game. The gameplay concept will be such that the player spawns in a lobby and after a certain time, gets teleported into various mini-games. For this small project, I will be creating a tutorial series that I will publish on this channel. You can participate in this project by simply suggesting what we should implement in this game. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the project. First, I created a small round platform that will serve as the lobby. Then, I added a spawn location to this lobby. Now, I am creating two game maps where the player will be spawned later with a certain probability. If you want a video tutorial on this, you can also watch my comprehensive tutorial on YouTube. Just click on the info card in the top right corner for that. After a few map changes, I also added a health system. That makes the game a bit more lively. After modifying the sky using the toolbox, I then created two games. In the first game, players can engage in combat with each other while collecting coins. And in the second game, the objective is to escape from zombies. I'm changing the properties of the crates in the escape game so that you can pass through them by disabling CanColide, CanQuery, and CanTouch. This way, the zombies won't stop at the crates either. Now I'm adding a daily chest system, which I recently uploaded on this YouTube channel. As the first step, insert the model found in the toolbox under Models. I'll also provide a link to it in the video description to help you find it easily. Adjust its size and make it look a bit nicer. For the second step, open the model and delete the README script. Move the chest server script to server script service. Also move the chest client local script to starter player scripts. Finally, move the daily chest folder to the workspace. As the third step, add a folder in Repage and name it exactly chest remotes. In this folder, create two remote functions and rename them to claim and return status. For the fourth step, I'll show you what you can change in the chest server script. You can modify the claim time, which is the duration it takes for the player to receive a reward. Below that, you can change the amount the player receives. You can also change the currency name by modifying currency name. Just replace coins, inside double quotes, with your desired currency. Oops, I made a mistake. The daily chest shouldn't be parented to an object. It should just be in the workspace. Now, it should work flawlessly. Perfect. It's working. I'm just briefly setting the claim time to 0 to test if I actually receive a reward after the time has elapsed. There you have it. I received the reward as intended. I'm now taking care of the appearance of the lobby and using the toolbox for that. Adding a few trees and bushes will nicely enhance the lobby's aesthetics. Maybe some rocks and a bench as well. I'm now creating a leaderboard for this mini-games game. First, go to the description, click on the link, and get the model for free. Next, go to the View tab and open the toolbox. Click on the 4 cubes to access your inventory. Look for the global leaderboard. It should appear if you obtained it from the description. If you see a prompt, click the OK button. The model is safe to use and won't harm your game. You should now find the leaderboard under the workspace. Anyway, expand the folder and delete the thumbnail camera. Expand screen to find a script. Double-click the script to open it. Change currency name to your desired currency. This currency will be displayed on the leaderboard. List size represents the number of players displayed on the leaderboard. By default, the top 100 players will be displayed. Update every specifies the time interval in seconds for leaderboard updates. Minimum requirement is the minimum amount of currency required to be displayed on the leaderboard. That's it. Before testing, make sure API services are enabled in game settings. As you can see, the statistics are displayed, but the coins are not fully visible. That's why I'm going to quickly adjust the size of the leaderboard wall. Maybe add a bit of black and transparent glass as a display surface. So that's done. Now, the statistics of my players will be displayed on this wall. Specifically the top 100 players with the most earned coins. That concludes the first part of this game development series. Until the next part of the tutorial,